Alright, so the new update came out for the Fx3 to get shutter angle, and I'm going to do it through the Creators app, and I'm taking you along with me. So let's open the Creators app. Now I haven't, you can see I have the A7 IV here. I'm going to add, we're going to start from the beginning, going to add the Fx3. It's not here because I just got it. So we're going to do this together. I'm going to turn that on. It says open camera menu. Hit the menu. There you go. Select smartphone connect from the menu. Go hit your menu. Go all the way down to the green tab. The first one. You'll see smartphone connection. Go on that. Set the camera Bluetooth function to on. Okay. Setting the camera Bluetooth function on. Boom. Select camera to connect. Right now it is pairing. Allow connection with your smartphone. And then it says iPhone. That is correct. Bluetooth request. Pair. All right. Recommended 5 gigs. We'll go with the recommended. Okay. There we are. We are connected with the iPhone. Now, let's go to update right there at the bottom. Update. Version 6. With all of this, I mean, you can go on Sony's website and look at all the updates. The number one update is the shutter angle, which, I mean, the shutter speed works just fine too, but let's just do shutter angle because that's what the cool kids are doing. So we're going to download. Let's see how long this takes. Come on, man, I'm paying for fast internets. There you go. Transfer files to camera. So now it's going to transfer from, oh, it wants to join direct. Join. Check camera response, checking camera status. Come on, y'all. Cannot, oh my God. So you need a full battery. Let me, hold on. Okay, we're back, 96% battery. Let's do this again. Gonna go hit update, resume updating. The download was complete, transfer files to camera. That's gonna do the Wi-Fi thing, check camera, yep. Wants to connect, let's join. It is 6:52, let's see how long this takes. Transferring files, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, it's 6:52. I have a meeting at 7, which I am waiting in the lobby. So let's see in 8 minutes if I'm able to update this camera and get onto this meeting. Looks like I will. 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. Also, when you do this update, or when you do any major update, and I believe this is a major one because I'm going from 5 to 6, one, you have to make sure you are at a certain update. So you can't, if your camera is on like update number 1, it won't allow you to go to 6. So you have to, you know, update it to something else, maybe 5 or whatever it is. Oh, here we go. Please follow these precautions until the very end. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, execute. But what I was saying earlier about upgrading to like major updates, what I was saying about updating to major updates is sometimes your settings on your camera that you save, like your function buttons and all that stuff, they might become, they might erase. So just be wary of that. But this is the first time I'm updating through the Creators app. Usually I go through the SD card, but I wanted to try this to see what it's like. I was just about to go on the meeting, but 6:57, body update complete. Go to menu, go to exposure, which is the pink one. First one, shutter mode. You got speed, angle. And now when you go, boom. Now anytime I record in 24 or 30 or 60, it automatically changes. So when I shoot in 24, shutter angles 180. Change it. We're at 30, 180. Change it. Boom. 60, 180. Back to 24 frames, 180. Done. That's how you do it, y'all.